In January, China's Southwest Jiaotong University and the China Railway Rolling Stock Corporation unveiled the world's first high-temperature superconducting high-speed maglev engineering prototype. The design speed of the train is 385 miles per hour. Combined with vacuum tube technology, the HTS Maglev train can reach speeds of 621 miles per hour. On the same day, a 541-foot line was started to test the new train. HTS, high-temperature superconducting technology can make the train move without electricity. It can be operated with just one hand, said Deng Zigang, deputy director of the university's high-speed transportation research center. The cost of the HTS system is estimated to be slightly higher than high-speed rail, but is expected to decrease if mass production of the components is achieved.